Hi friends, I'm Alex. And today I'd like you to see a really good way of making pickled cucumbers. At first all you need is the cucumbers you have and a little salt. Okay, let me show you all the process. For marinade, I usually use a 3-liter bottle. Okay, let's fill up the bottle with cucumbers. Then I dissolve 2 spoons of salt in 2 liters of water. And pour all this salty water in the bottle. That's all, friends. Now I will put it in a dark place for a week. Well, friends, finally it is done. By the way, before I finish the process, you should try to taste a bit of cucumber. And if it is sour enough, you can drive the process to the end. Now let's go on. Now let's pour the marinade out of the bottle. Put it on the flames and bring it to boiling. Meanwhile, we put all the necessary things in the bottle: horseradish leaves, cherry leaves, dry dill, garlic. Now we pour the boiling marinade in the bottle and seal it with a lid. That's all, my friends, we did it! In this bottle, the cucumbers will keep all year round. And at this point that's all, my friends. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!